welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Yash with us from Contendere Solar. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, can you just let us know about Contendere Solar, like from when it came into the solar industry and what are the product offerings?
So we started back in 2019, November 2019, just before the COVID, and we held our nerves in the COVID with a close down of 8 months, and we fought back strongly. And now we are serving and catering more than 200 plus happy customers on regular yearly basis. And the growth wise, when we say about how our journey has been, we started from one Bhiwandi plant in Mumbai, then we expanded last year to Gandhinagar inside a university campus, and now we are coming up with our own 1.2 gigawatt manufacturing facility back in Bhiwandi, Mumbai. So we will be going up to 1.2 gigawatt altogether in a span of 1 year timeline. So we have been growing rapidly, almost double the business growth every year on year. And in terms of challenge, the company development, it has been going tremendously well. About we could say it is more faster than the industry standard growth which has been observed initially.
If I talk about the states or regions, like which regions you are expecting for like 2024?
So since we are from Western region, we have been seeing Western as more potential market. The number of Kusum Yojana projects, PM Suryagar projects which are been executing, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Gujarat, even during RE Invest, the maximum capacity was announced by these states only. So these states are most prominent states and upcoming states in the coming years also. So we see these states as one of the biggest market in the coming years and this year also. And we have been doing almost more than what we did last year in Maharashtra state itself. So obviously we are growing, and we see my Western region as one of the best state.
That's great, sir. What are your expectations from the industry stakeholders?
So as you know, the industry is developing, booming on day by day basis. The capacity has been installing on regular basis. The one of the thing what we find from stakeholders should come up and have investment in the back end supply chains. The more stronger supply chains we have, the more strong demands and the cater can be done, and at a better price value to the government and the public, which will become eventually a win situation for everyone and bringing down the overall lowering the electricity cost. So we think of that more back-end supply should start coming up in India, like cells, wafer manufacturing. So all those things will help up to ramp up the industry.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for being with us.
Thank you.